Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. Now, this is a new solar light I've never seen before at Dollar Tree. I was so excited to pick it up. It's got like a little square lantern that's got solar powered twinkle lights in it. And it also comes with the post, the hook, everything you need. So for $1.25, I thought that was a great deal. I'm going to give mine a little bit of a coastal makeover. Again, it's black plastic, and I'm not a big fan of that for coastal, so we're going to paint it. I just went ahead and took it apart, took the little plastic part out, and these are all the pieces to the pole and stuff like that. I'm going to suspend mine in just a Dollar Tree metal bucket, a blue one. I thought that would look nice and beachy, but you could always suspend this in a plant pot or your landscaping. It's definitely tall enough. And we're just going to go ahead and spray paint this. I'm going to spray paint it this same color that I did the last one with that sand dollar spray paint. And first I'm just going to tape off the little twinkly lights so they don't get paint on them. And I need to paint kind of all of the pieces to this. So I'm going to need to paint the top. So again, I'm just cutting some more of that cardboard down to cover that up, tape that on top. And I'm going to cover like the box of the lantern. I'm also going to be painting the pole and stuff like that. So everything looks that ivory color. And that combined with that beachy blue pale, I think is going to look really cute and coastal. So again, this is an ultra matte. I really prefer the matte spray paints over the glossy. I just think it looks a little bit more coastal. I'm trying to give that a good coat of paint with the hanger like kind of standing up so I can get that painted on both sides. And then I'm painting the little basket of the lantern. It was really easy to take all of this apart to paint it and give it a different vibe. If you like the black, it's really cute in black as well. But if you're going for a coastal vibe, I just don't think black really goes with it. So I just put together the plastic pole for it like that. And I'm going to go ahead and paint that as well. While I've got the spray paint out and my box. This box has been in a lot of videos now. It might be getting worn out. I'm going to have to find something else to paint in. It's really hard to find a box that will fit on my workspace under my camera where I can show you guys everything because I hate having to take everything outside and then you guys don't get to see the whole process. So here is the hook that holds it. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint that ivory as well. And I'm going to kind of spray paint everything except for the very like stake part of it because you won't be able to see that. I actually end up not even using that part of it. I'm going to flip over the lantern and spray paint it again. That way I can get all of the inside of the lantern too. And that looks way better. Let me get a little bit over on this side and just trying to make sure I have everything painted. I also painted kind of on the inside lip of the top of it as well, anywhere that might be visible. And now it is time to try to get these dry and put this together. I was having impatience because I needed to get this video out. So I filled the tin pail up with just some rocks I had from Dollar Tree and some gravel. And then I'm going to top it off with sand. That way it looks like a beachy bucket full of sand and shells is what I was going for. But I wanted it to be weighed down because it's going to be outside too. And then I need to put my pole in there. I was trying to decide if I should have put my pole in there first before I put the rocks in there. And I probably should have. I tried it first with the stake. And I really wasn't getting anywhere with it. So I'm actually going to remove that. And I lost some of my sand down in the gravel, but I just went ahead and removed the stake, kind of worked that down into the rocks so that uses that to stand it up to kind of make it sturdier. And I'm just going to have to replace the sand that kind of all went down in it. I'm going to secure it with a little bit of hot glue. And then I'm just going to use some Dollar Tree tan sand for the top. Now, if you're worried about losing your sand for the top, you can always use some like adhesive spray glue. They do have that at Dollar Tree that you can kind of spray on there, kind of help keep your sand in there. I'm just going to kind of skip it and just like let it be sand. I can always replace it if I need to. And then just some seashells from my stash. I'm going to use some larger ones and scatter those around so it looks like a little beach bucket with sand and seashells inside of it. Makes it look really coastal. I slide in the little plastic cube back inside the lantern. And then I just have to untape my twinkle lights. So this is a solar light, but the solar light, instead of just having one light, has all these little twinkle lights. So I really can't believe this was only $1.25, a really good deal. And I'm just going to put those down back inside it. And the lid just twists on, it like screws on like a lid. And we can remove the cardboard from the top, clean up any of the excess. It's got the little hanger on there already, and then I can just hook that on the loop. This turned out so cute and beachy and really versatile. You could use this so many different places. I think I might use this on the table next to my front door. But look how pretty it looks in that white color. And the little beachy pail of seashells and sand really complements the coastal look. Here it is lit up at night. It was kind of hard to get a good picture of this one, but look how pretty that looks. I think this is going to look really good outside. And I was really impressed with how well it turned out. It seems fairly sturdy.